The slowdown is obvious, I would say. I think no one can underestimate it or undermine it. It's not totally new because it started a bit last year, but it's true that this year is probably a slowdown that is visible, and we see impact the economy as a whole, impact most of the industry and most of the manufacturers.
Right.
I still feel, and I still see India with plenty of optimism, because the strong belief, my strong belief, is that it's only a phase, it's only a transition, but the fundamentals of India are very strong. Basically, with its rising middle class, with all the different engines will help the markets in general and the beauty market in particular to grow 10 to 15% in the next decade, which will continue to make India one of the most exciting and fast-moving markets in the world.
Right.
So it's true, but the way we see it at L'Oréal, and I like the challenge, and we had in a slowdown market to maintain our speed of growth and to improve our business performance relative to the market. So we have really this year moved to a speed of 3 times the market, because usually it's the way we also look at ourselves, is in our capacity to gain share, not only to grow in absolute value, but really to grow faster than the market. Be able to compensate the market slowdown with a much faster, much better relative performance versus market at 3 times the growth. Our unit growth, by the way, continue to go very fast, because we are close to plus 20% in units. So we continue to recruit very quickly and very intensively on the Indian market. So yes, there is a slowdown, but no, we don't feel so impacted, and on the other side, and we have still the same ambition and the same optimism about India, and we absolutely don't expect to derail from any vision that was communicated as of now in terms of business objective. If we look at what states Nielsen, for instance, we're present in about 700,000 stores in India, which still make us a lot of room for growth, of course, but it's already a very decent, very decent scale for the target we want, because as we have explained, we are really looking at targeting the rising middle of the pyramid of India, and the rising middle class. So prices, we said, distribution, it's also our formula that we make more and more relevant and adapted to the Indian market. So of course we start to see the first fruit of our R&I investment, because the latest shampoo formula that we have launched, the next few launches to come, will be totally born in India and done by the Indian lab. And after, fundamentally, also, it's all the localization we have. It's all the advertising film are made locally. We have also a development team that is local. I think it's on market share, we are, as I was saying, growing 3 times faster than the market. So we are today, if I look at our market share in our categories where we compete, we are close to 10% when I take hair care, skin care, and makeup. So it's
together, or individually?
No, together. After we have strength and still room for progression in some categories. We have a very strong footprint today in coloration, where we are number 1. We are very strong in hair care, with also close to 10% market share. And we are accelerating very fast in makeup, where we grow almost above 70-80% this year. So it's absolutely immense, the potential. We still have, I would say, a good 50% to go still. But with the speed of growth we are going, in the next 2 years, we believe we'll be a solid number 1, like we are in hair color. Some of our hair care formulas that are really today at the best level ever, and totally adapted for the Indian market. So Fructis Long and Strong, Goodbye Damage, and the new L'Oréal Paris. So we have really a new a new set. The next phase of what I call game changer launches, which will go even further in the direction of very accessible innovation, will come in the very first quarter of next year, where we will have in different categories big new news to bring to the Indian market, and the first delivery from our Indian labs of what we want to offer best to the Indian market.